Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your very first Google Ads account without starting a campaign. Many beginners accidentally launch a campaign during setup, but in this tutorial, I'll show you the right way to skip that step and set up your account properly. Let's get started. First, simply search Google Ads on Google and go to ads.google.com. Click on the Start Now button. If you're already logged in with your Google account, you'll see the setup screen immediately. If not, Google will ask you to sign in first. By default, Google tries to push you into creating a smart campaign, which is a simplified version of Google Ads for beginners. Click the button that says Create Your First Campaign. Now, type your business name and website, then click Next. In the following steps, Google may ask for additional details about your business. Just keep the defaults and click Next again. Next, you'll see a step where Google suggests linking your account with other platforms. You don't need to do this right now, so just click Skip. On the next page, instead of choosing a goal, scroll down and click the smaller link that says Set up an account only. Now, select your country, time zone, and currency, then click Continue. You'll now be asked to create a payment profile. Enter your billing details, such as name, address, and card info, and then click Submit. And that's it! You've successfully created your Google Ads account without starting a campaign. Before creating your first campaign, make sure to link your Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager accounts for accurate conversion tracking. I'll show you exactly how to do that in an upcoming video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Google Ads and digital marketing tutorials from Digital Growth Tutor.